Welcome to Cooking with Elastic, and in this session we're going to be going over Observability 101, but more importantly, how to process data and bring it in easily with streams.
Now, we're not going to keep logs forever and ever and ever, forever. We only need to keep them for a certain amount of time that only makes sense. And here, I'm going to show you how you can do that with streams. So we'll pick on that logs.spark that we just created. We're going to edit our data retention right here like so. We're not going to use the parent streams retention or where that logs index pattern that was coming from our log stream. I set it to a custom period. We want to set it for 30 days instead of the 90 days. Once that's done, click save. And then from forever, now it's 30 days. Pretty snazzy. But what if we wanted to update the ILM policy along with it? Okay, edit data retention, ILM policy, and we'll say 30 days default. Click save. Once that's done, now we can see exactly how that data is going to be, aging between our hot and warm tiers. That's it. That's how easy it is. Pretty awesome. No more having to remember all the intricacies. Just as you're onboarding data, set it en masse that easy. So if you're ready to see how we would fix data that we might break, get ready for the next section.